happened to click with him. We had chemistry, we fell in love, and then that happened.
And him being married wasn't a complication, wasn't a problem?
It definitely was. I mean, it did raise concerns, but...
You're now basically used as the headline for things that are written about him, from his business affair, husband, he's been an absent father, etc. How do you feel about the fact that your name is now used to headline those stories?
I mean, who else's name would they use? I'm the public figure.
Do you think people wouldn't care about him if he was with you?
100%. If he was dating Ambali from Soshanguve,